Is it February 17th or 18th today? Do you know?
It's ice storm turning to 17th.
This is our backyard. February something. It's after Valentine's Day. And this is we're almost a week into the crazy weather.
Weather number 2.
So last night we had freezing rain. 2 days ago we had just had snow. And yesterday was just cold. So the snow stayed. Ugh. And this is our backyard. Oh, looks like we lost a couple. Quite a few. Holy moly. That whole entire cedar fell.
Looks like it. Yeah, branches. Yeah.
Well, this one right here.
Yep.
Well, I'm glad those oak trees are okay. And here's our little backyard creek. That's usually a wet weather creek. Looks like it's being a wet weather creek. A snow creek. Snow makes it much more mysterious, I must say. All the trees are just covered in ice. This is crazy. So here's why these trees are falling down. Wow, another one right here. Well, now I know why I've seen these like these on our property where they've fallen down. Because this has happened before. So they can't handle this weight. Oh my gosh. These are juniper cedar trees though, so I'm not too sad about these ones falling down a little bit every so often. But wow, there are a lot. Huh. So it looks like the ones with the thicker foliage tend to fall, huh? What?
Yeah, they probably trapped more water.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Wow. And the ironic thing is that in this part of our property, this is the first tree that I trimmed and trimmed up to lift up the skirt so that you could walk around it and get back. This is before I cleared all that area back in there. Wow. That's a big one. That's too bad.
Yeah. Opened up this area.
Yeah. But they provide shade too.